Hey parents, welcome to Breast Milk Basics. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're just starting your breastfeeding journey, pumping, or navigating the ups and downs of feeding your little one, this is your safe, supportive space. Do you know that breastfeeding is nature's perfect food for your baby? It's the ultimate way to bond and protect your little one. Let's dive into why breastfeeding is so powerful. Breastfeeding isn't just about feeding, it's about giving your baby the healthiest start possible. Packed with all the nutrients and antibodies they need, breast milk is literally the best thing you can give them in those first months of life. Benefits of breastfeeding: for your baby, breast milk boosts their immune system, helps them grow stronger, and reduces the risk of infections. For you, it helps your body recover after childbirth, burning extra calories and even lowering your risk of certain diseases later in life. Tips for successful breastfeeding: let's talk about latching. A good latch is key. Make sure your baby's mouth covers most of the areola, not just the nipple. The better the latch, the more comfortable it will be for both of you. Next up, positions. Whether it's the cradle hold or side-lying position, find what feels right for you and your baby. And don't forget, a good latch means no pain. If something feels off, try adjusting their position or reach out for support. Overcoming challenges: sometimes breastfeeding comes with challenges. From sore nipples to low milk supply, don't worry, help is out there. Reach out to a lactation consultant or talk to your doctor for personalized tips. Support and resources: remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are many online communities, local support groups, and professionals ready to assist you every step of the way. Never hesitate to ask for help. Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey for both you and your baby. It may take time to master, but every drop is a gift. So trust yourself.